We're on the Cerro Negro volcano, and it's actually the youngest volcano in Central America at only 160 years old. It's a cinder cone volcano, which means that it grows by spouting out ash and rock. And interestingly enough, it's actually the most active cinder block volcano in the world with 23 eruptions. But all that's the boring stuff. The exciting thing is that we have these incredible wooden boards, and these, you see that? Very, very festive orange outfits. And we're gonna slide down the side of the volcano.
That's a volcano. We're gonna go bobsled down it.
How does that make you feel?
Really good inside. I'm gonna go throw up.
You know, it is always offshore on the volcano. The wind actually blows from one way to the other way, which makes it the perfect situation for volcano boarding with all of the soft ash landing on the one side. So this is actually the pipeline of volcano boarding, and we're rookies, first time out. So we'll see if we can not kill ourselves, but I'm really excited.
How do you feel? I'm scared. I just saw someone eat it at the very bottom. It's a long way down.
Close your mouth.
Wish me luck. Thanks.
What do you think? The hill disappears. You can't see the bottom.
Which means it's gonna be sick and vertical. 41-degree angle. 41-degree angle.
Oh, look at that one, look at him. Oh. Natalie,
Yep.
last words?
Woo! We're gonna go down the volcano! Not die.
3, 2, 1,
Go Natalie, go Natalie, go Natalie, go Jessica, go Jessica, go Natalie, go Jessica, go Natalie, go Jessica! Yeah! Oh, Natalie taking a fast lead against Jessica.
Oh, they're just already breaking.
Jessica braking, Natalie going all the way down. Oh! Woo! Oh my God! Yeah! Natalie just ate it really bad. What'd she do?
She got a lot of speed, and that little part where it goes vertical, she caught air and bounced, and I think she did like 2 front flips or a side flip. She flipped around, and now she's walking. I think she lost her voice. Look at it! Yeah, Natalie! I don't know if I can go down. I'm laughing too hard. That was so awesome. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Sit back here. So when you brake, it's just like a tap tap. I'm so scared right now. Like I'm tripping. And this is the first I've not been scared this entire time, and right now I'm right straight back.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah!
Wait, go.
fell. I guess I was going fast. I thought it was normal, and then I hit a woo, and then went down and rolled down the thing. And had to chase after my board, but it was fun. I didn't get hurt. The worst that could have happened happened.
You did like 2 somersaults.
Yeah, I did. I rolled. I did. Yeah. It was fun.
And then you climbed
Gymnastics came in hand.
Just throw up. I think Emily just threw up. How was that? It was awesome. I thought I was gonna catch an edge a couple times, but I didn't. I pulled it off. Now I have a stash. I got dirt everywhere. Had it in my belly button, just like rocks everywhere.
Whoa!
I guess that's how it's done. I missed that memo, but
I just like
I
scratched
tried.
on my hand a little bit.
That was fun. I wish I would have gone a little faster like Natalie though. That looked even funner.
It was fun until I fell.
Yes, you go.
That was awesome.
How fast did you go?
32 kilometers an hour.
Wow.
Pretty solid.
What's the
I
record?
want to go faster though. I want to do it again. So I'll be back.
How fast did you
We'll
go?
be back.
I don't know how much. 30 something.
That's crazy.
How,
That's like
35.
I don't know how fast I went. He just said,
35.
"What's your name?" And I said, "Emily."
They didn't record my fastest. I was way up there. I was
Yeah,
going
she was
fast.
going fast.